This is how to make sweetest jollof rice and beans. These two are two combination of rice and beans, and of course what to do not to top it up with some veggies. Hello guys, welcome to my page. So today we are doing two collabos. Yes, two combination of rice and beans, and believe you me guys, this is one of the sweetest rice and beans you can see out there, because I made it native rice and beans. I made it in a different way that you will love it and you want to come try it any day, anytime. Yes, I went down with my palm oil. I said to bleach it a bit and added my groundnut oil, and here is me topping up with my onions and my blended tomato as well. This is tomato, small bit of tomato and small bit of shombo pepper and some other things that I blended inside. And this is me putting some of my veggies, like some of my stocks, my maggi, my crayfish. And I had someone told me the other day that it is not good to use crayfish to cook your jollof rice. I don't know about the person, but in this my page, what I do is healthy. Crayfish does not stop you from cooking anything you want to cook. So back to this place again. I have something to tell you guys, but that will be for another video. And here you are going to allow your tomato to dry the water a bit, not because I just added it. Allow it to dry a bit before adding your beans. This beans is half cooked. The rice is already soaked with hot water, so both of them are just half done, by the way, before adding it to these blended tomatoes. And here guys, here is it rounding up guys. And so this place I brought out my stock. Yes, stock, the water from my meat. Yes, the meat, and the other thing is at the back of this video, but you just have to stay to the end of these videos for you to see what I'm about to show you. If you watch this video halfway, you will not know what I'm about to show you. And here you have to stir the rice and the beans so that the water will still go round. But for the water to dry up to the taste that you are looking for, so that it will not be over soft, I decided to go back and do my foil cover. Yes, I added foil cover. You guys know how foil is. It will help you to soak out the water that is remaining from the food. And I came back to add my sweet corn, my bell pepper, my carrot, my big beans, some of my veggies. Yes, that is what I came back to do. I added my veggies to the last end. Yes, don't add your veggies when there is still water in this rice. Add it when the water has dry and is remaining small. Just a little heat of this on the veggies, it would really turn out well. And I cover it for 1 minute and came back, and the rice is ready. Guys, you need to see the aroma that is coming out of this my rice. It was top notch, and this rice is ready. And what to do if not to top it up with a lot of things? I top it up with my plantain, my egg. And in my another video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this my fish. Yes, this is not croaker fish. This is not the normal Titus fish. This is a different fish which I will show you in my another video. And I went down to top it with my plantain, with my egg. Yes, and it went down well. It went down with a lot of juice. And of course, this food is specially made for my odogu because he's around. So I made a dogu kind of food. I hope you guys are going to try this out and come back and tell me how you like it. Thanks.